Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about my Shutterstock earnings and my microstock contribution experience. I started my first uploads in microstock contribution with Shutterstock Agency in February 2018. I haven't earned that much money I expected from microstock contribution, but I am happy that I am making or creating some good content that I am uploading and contributing. Let's start with Shutterstock earnings and some changes in the policies and payments of Shutterstock. This is my Shutterstock total earnings from February 2018 to August 2020. I am having portfolio of 500 images and 293 videos on Shutterstock. These are my monthly earnings of Shutterstock from January 2020 to August 2020. This is the highest earning of 2020 in the month of July, which is approximately $38.36. If you are Shutterstock contributor, you may know about the latest payment structure of Shutterstock. These are the level structure of Shutterstock. Luckily I am on the level 2 in video sales. But in image part, I am still on level 1. My sales should reach at least 100 images and 50 videos for level 2, as you can see here. This is the detailed information about new payment structure of Shutterstock. For all the contributors in Shutterstock, levels will be reset on 1st of January every year, and starts with level 1. For most of my images and videos I am not getting good amount of money. But if the same image or video will sell multiple times, then it will worth. So here you can see some videos sold only for 34 cents, but it sold multiple times. Maybe Shutterstock sold this video in subscription pack or any offer. And the same video sold for $13 as well. Here you can see this. And these are some image sales for 10 cents. Before June 2020, minimum 25 cents contributors were getting for this type of image sales. Well, this is the good side for contributors to sell videos and photos, because the same video or photo will sell multiple times. But sometime for a very long period of time you will not get anything also. So don't worry about that. Here you can see my detailed earnings sheet. But every month I am getting some earnings from Shutterstock. Now this is my Pond5 contributor account. These are my total sales on Pond5. I haven't earned more than $80 from February 2019 to August 2020. I have almost 275 video in my Pond5 portfolio. Sometimes you'll be lucky, sometimes you need to wait. Nowadays competition is very high in digital market. In most of the people working on internet and most of the content creators contributing in microstock agencies. Most of the videos you are uploading on microstock agencies you will find similar or almost same uploaded by someone already. But these stock contributing websites and stock agencies are only for passive income or some side income. So this was my earnings from microstock agencies. In next video I will share my experience with other microstock agencies and earnings. Thank you for watching my video.